Okay. Okay. All right, y'all. So, welcome back to my channel, and we are going to put this wig on today. Okay. Not. Let me tell you something about this face. Okay, this face is popping. Like, yo, listen. Wig off, popping. Wig on. Wig on. Popping. Okay. So here is my Virgo Volleys hair. I believe it's like the Brazilian hair. All the details will be in the description box below. It is 18 inches. I washed this a very long time ago, at the same time that I did my blonde wig. So if you do not know which blonde wig I'm talking about, check out my page. Usually I do the bald cap method, but to be honest, guys, like, it's quarantine season. I want to take off my wig in the nighttime, so I'm not going to be doing the bald cap method with y'all today, but I do have a detailed video on how to do the bald cap method on my YouTube channel. So you know what to do. Go on my YouTube channel at Naya & Co. Look through my videos. You'll see a detailed bald cap method, okay, for your frontal wigs. So for today, we're just gonna quick it. All right, means quick. So obviously you need your wig. This one is a 13x4 closure. There you go. So I have my 13x4 closure. I usually do 13x6, but I didn't even realize that this is the one that was ordered. But it is what it is. It's curly hair, thank God, so it's not that bad. I have a mad crazy widow's peak. Oh, so this is really easy, guys. You're gonna see how easy it is. Oh, the streets want what? The streets want this. Perfect. So I clipped it in the back so it could be a little bit tighter. All right, so here I go. I'm just gonna pull it to the front like this. I have not bleached the ends, as you can see. Let me just zoom in. Yeah, the root of it is not bleached. Okay, you can still see like the black marks and stuff. And I also haven't tweezed it. To be honest, guys, I'm not going to be bleaching it or plucking it or whatever. We're just gonna make it work the way it works, because I do not have the energy for it. All the stores are closed. I don't even have any of the products that I usually use. I don't have no bleach. I don't have no nothing. You know what I mean? That's something I should have brought from Toronto, but I didn't. So we're just going to do it on a basic way, okay? So this is super easy. This is not even next level. This is super easy, all right? So you put your wig on your head. Make sure it's perfect, ear to ear. This feels great. This feels absolutely great. I'm gonna wipe off a little bit of my makeup over here so that I can glue the hair down, because if I put it on top of makeup, then it's just like, what? Okay, yeah, I don't care. So I'm using my makeup wipe, and I'm just gonna wipe off some makeup right near my edges where I'm going to be putting the glue, okay? As you can see, look at the difference. Oh my god, makeup is not good. Okay, so my edges ain't got no makeup, all right, right now, as y'all can see right here. So usually when I'm trying to just do a very quick wig install, I just use Got To Be Glue, the yellow one, and the freeze spray. Okay, I just use these two. If I'm trying to have a style in or a wig on for maybe a week or so, I will go in with the bold hold, but I'm not doing bold hold, not in this quarantine, because I want to rip this wig off. You know what I'm trying to say? You know what I'm trying to say. If you know, you know. All right, I just put it on my finger, and then I'm gonna put it where I took off the makeup, just like that. This is like a really easy way, okay, to just apply your wig, guys. It's not professional, and I'm not a professional, but if you do want like now I'm so now I'm just waiting for the glue on the lace to dry down to my scalp. It might take about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll get into cutting the lace and making it look cute or whatever. Y'all, I completely forgot that this was supposed to be like an out loud video, and I stopped speaking. So basically this is the outlook of how the wig came out. I'm just plucking out, you know, my part to make it look a little bit more natural. But yeah, I like the way it came out. I think I look cute. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.